Hey, what's up people? It's Dan here from Kathmandu and I'm here to talk to you about how to wash your down jacket. Now you might think that's a bit scary, but it's not. If you follow these simple steps, you'll find out it's an absolute breeze. And if you look after your gear, you'll get maximum performance out of it and it will last you a lot longer as well. Always check the care label first. Next, remove obvious stains with a soft, damp cloth. Empty your pockets. Close all the zips and turn the jacket inside out. Use a specialized downwash like Granger's and never use fabric softener. Set the temperature at 30 degrees Celsius and select the gentle cycle. And don't use the spin cycle because that might damage your jacket. Take it out carefully because the wet down is really heavy. Support the whole garment, don't just lift it by a little tip or a sleeve, and then lay it out so it can dry, ideally in the sun. Keep fluffing it up, keep checking on it. It's going to take quite a while for it to dry. Now we're going to put the jacket in the dryer. Select a low heat setting and make sure to check regularly. You can also add the Granger's dryer balls or 2 or 3 tennis balls, and they will really help fluff your jacket up. And when the jacket is all dry, you take it out, give it a good shake, and there you have it. You're all done, and your jacket is as new. How often do you wash your down jacket? That really depends on how dirty it is and how often you use your jacket. But it's very important to do it regularly because clean down will keep you a lot warmer, and that's what you're after ultimately. Now don't get your down jacket dry cleaned because in the dry cleaning process they use solvents, and solvents are bad for your down. Also, never use a top loader with an agitator because the agitator can actually damage your down jacket, and that's not what you want. Just remember, really look after your gear. If you do so, it will give you the best possible performance and it will last a lot longer.